In this chapter we will create a detail of the escalator on which the LED panels will be hung. And we will start from here. For the beginning we will add the null node and rename it in null panel. Add delete node, enable the normal parameter. Spread angle 10. Here 0, and here 1. Operation, delete non-selected. Add the assemble node, and create a point in the center of each plane. Activate create packed geometry parameter. Next we add the transform node, and we will lower them a bit. Add sort node. Select a long vector. And change the direction of the vector. Add split node. Here add 0. Add the add node. Activate delete geometry but keep the points parameter. Add match size node and unpack node. And connect the unpack node to the second input. For the x-axis set maximum. And for the y and z axis set none. Make a copy of these nodes and connect them to the second input. And here select the minimum. Add the merge node and combine these results. And we will connect these points by a line. Here we will add 0 and 1. Add carve node. First U 0.15. Second U 0.98. Add the transform node, and we will lower the line below. Add resample node. Maximum segment 7. Add the group expression node, and we will group the first and last point. And now we will delete them. Add resample node. Maximum segments 3. Add grid node. Change the orientation on the YZ axis. And here -35. Make a copy of the grid node. From here W will copy the parameter and add it here. Add minus to change its position on the opposite side. Add the merge node and we will combine them. And copy these planes on the line created above. Add poly extrude node. Activate the front extruded transform parameter. Select global. And here -0.06. Add another poly extrude node. Set the distance to 0.905. Activate the output back parameter. Add the group node and we will group only the edges. Add the poly bevel node. Distance 0.19. And select group 49. Next, we will group the geometry from the front, and we will delete everything except this group. Add delete node. And select group 50. Next we will cut this plane with the created geometry. But first we will align the line and the plan. Add match size node. We will connect the resample node in the second input. And in the first input we add the delete node. Add Boolean node. Connect the copy to points node in the second input and the match size node in the first input. Operation shatter. For both inputs select surface. Add poly extrude node. Inset 0.07. And we will disable the output front parameter. Add reverse node and fuse node. Add poly extrude node. Distance 0.07. And we will activate the output back parameter. Next we will create a group on the edges. Add group node. Group type, edges. Group name, edge 1. And activate the include by edges parameter. Add poly bevel node. Select group edge 1. Distance 0.2. And set the maximum angle. Add the bound node and connect the cables. Add match size node. And select minimum, so the panel will be on the cables. Here at 0.06. Add poly bevel. Distance 0.005. And we select the edges that an angle more than 15. Add clean node. And finally we will add the null node, and rename it to null panel.